Yes, students, now see question number 4 of worksheet 8. Write the following in expanded form. Expanded form means product form. CA 2 raised to the power 5 means we have to write 2 5 times. 3 raised to the power 4 means we have to write 3 4 times. Similarly, minus 7 raised to the power 3 will be minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7, and minus 2 raised to the power 2 will be minus 12 into minus. Next, compute the following. It means we have to completely solve these questions. We will see some of them. See here, first part 3 raised to the power 4. It means first we will write it in product form and then we will multiply all of them. 3 into 3 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 into 3 81. Similarly, minus 5 raised to the power 2. So minus 5 will be written 2 times, and here if we multiply the absolute value of the number, 5 into 5 25, and there are 2 minus, 2 is even, so there will be plus with the answer. Now see E part, minus 4 raised to the power 3, minus 10 raised to the power 3, minus 1 raised to the power 7, 8, 9. I have solved them here separately. You can solve it here also. Minus 4 raised to the power 3 means multiply 4 3 times, 64, and there are 3 minus odd times, so minus will be there. Similarly, minus 10 raised to the power 3 will be minus 1000 because there is 3 minus, and minus 1 raised to the power 789. We will multiply 1 789 times, so if we multiply 1 with any of the time we will get 1, but here minus is odd time, so there will be minus with the sign, so there will be minus with 1. Now I have replaced these values here. Minus 4 raised to the power 3 we have calculated, minus 64, it was minus 1000, and it was minus 1. Now we will multiply all of them. If we multiply them, we will get 64,000, and again here are 1, 2 and 3. 3 minus, 3 is odd, so minus will be there with the answer. Now see question number 5. Here we have to find the cube of 9. Cube means power 3. So we will calculate here minus 9 raised to the power 3. So it will be multiplied 3 times. Square of 15 2. Square means power 2. So 15 raised to the power 2. 15 into 15 we can calculate it. Fifth power of minus 10 is minus 10 raised to the power 5. So minus 10 will be multiplied 5 times. And 19th power of minus 1 is minus 1 raised to the power 19. So if we multiply 1 19 times, you will get 1, and minus is odd times, so its answer will be minus 1. Now see question number 7. Simplify, same which we have done here in question number 5. We will solve them and then calculate the answer. See here some of the parts. This first part 3 raised to the power 2, 4 raised to the power 2. I have calculated separately. 3 raised to the power 2 is 3 into 3 9, 4, or 4 raised to the power 2 means 4 into 4 16. Then I have put their values here, and then answer is 25. You can do this part here also. Now see D part, minus 10 raised to the power 3, minus 10 raised to the power 2, or minus 10 raised to the power 1. Here again I have calculated their values separately. Minus 10 raised to the power 3 will be 1000, and sign will be minus. Minus 10 raised to the power 2 will be 100, and sign will be plus because there are 2 minus. And minus 10 raised to the power 1 will be minus 10. So I have replaced their values here. So it will be minus 1000 plus 100 and plus minus minus 10. Now there are 3 numbers, so we will write same sign number together. Minus 1000 minus 10 I have written here, and 100 separately. Now first we do the same sign sum. So I have done their sum, add, and sign will be of both. 100 is also there. Now 2 numbers are left, their sign are different sign difference, so I have subtracted them, and sign will be of greater number. See this also, E part, 3 raised to the power 3 I have calculated here, it will be 27, and then minus 2 raised to the power 3, it will be minus 8. Then I replaced here, it is 27 minus as such, and minus 2 raised to the power 3 is minus 8. I have written minus 8 inside the bracket because already minus sign is there. Now I will solve the bracket. Minus minus Same sign sum. So sum sign and plus sign will be there. Now add them. Question number 8. Subtract the cube of minus 2 from the cube of 2. So first of all we will calculate cube of minus 2 and cube of 2. Cube of minus 2 will be minus 8 and cube of 2 will be 8. Then we will subtract cube of minus 2. So cube of minus 2 minus 8 will be written later. First we will write this. So 8 minus will be written from our side because we are going to subtract, and then minus 8 will be inside the bracket because 2 minus cannot be written together. Now we will solve the bracket. Minus minus plus, same sign sum. Then add them. We will get the 16. Now see one more thing. If we are multiplying, see here like this. If we are multiplying some integers and their base are same and powers are different, and if there are multiply between them, if base are same, so we can write the base once and power will be added if multiply is there. But if base are same and there is division between them, then we can write base once and power will be subtracted. I have written here this formula. So here we have to verify. So in the left hand side we will apply the formula base same, power add, minus 2 raised to the power 8, and in right hand side it was already minus 2 raised to the power 8. So both are same, so LHS is equal to RH. Same formula we have applied in the B part, and in the C part we have, because there is no formula applicable, so 5 raised to the power 2 is 5 into 5 25, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16. Now subtract then, and both are same, so LHS is equal to R. See question number 11. What power of 2 is 32? And similarly other also. It means 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power of what? How we see here, we have to calculate what power of 2 is 32. So we have do the prime factorization of 32, and we will start with 2. So there are 5 times. So 32 is 2 raised to the power 5. In next we have to calculate what power of minus 4 is minus 64. So we divide 64 with 4, and 4 are 3 times. So 64 is equal to 4 raised to the power 3. But we want minus also. So we have put minus to both sides, and minus 64 will be minus 4 raised to the power 3.